Folks, welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the things that we're going to go ahead and we need to make an app. So the first thing that we need to install is called as an Android Studio. Now, what is this Android Studio? Just like, for example, I wanted to send an email, right? So what you go to your Gmail and you start typing your email address. So this is like a place where you type your email. Similarly, an Android Studio is a place where we're going to go ahead and write our code. Now, what is a code? What is this code thing? Code is nothing but we can say is a set of instructions that we give to the computer. For example, if you wanted to make a tea, it's very simple. So what instructions will be like a very specific instructions. Put some water in a pan on the gas. Light up the gas, put some tea and sugar in it, and so on. So those are the set of instructions that we give to the computer. Those are called as the code. Now similarly, to write a particular email, we're going to go ahead and use a language called English. So to write our app, we will also need a language, or we can call it as a programming language, that is to program the computer. So what is the language that I'm going to go ahead and use? I'm going to go ahead and use something called as XML, which is called as extensible markup language. Don't worry about what it is. We're going to talk about it. But this is called as an extensible markup language. Now, just a quick recap. What is program? Program is nothing but a bunch of instructions that are given to the computer. Now, what kind of language did you use to write those instructions? I'm going to use XML. Where I'm going to go ahead and write those instructions. I'm going to go ahead and write it on the Android Studio. I know you guys don't have Android Studio right now on your computer. In our next tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can go ahead and install Android Studio on your computer.